Hi guys, today we're going to be opening Pikmi Pop Surprise. So, if you're new to our channel, I'm Dahlia and my dad's Steve. So, let's get started. Alright, this is hard. Alright, so I've seen these on other YouTube channels. So you just put your finger in that, and then you'll see your jelly filling. Alright. Ready? Oh my God. Oh, look how cute. I got something. I can't get it out. This is like the eggs that they put Hatchimals in. Oh, look, it's a cute unicorn. Jelly filling. Oh, that's cute. It's like light pink, and then there's this hole on the bottom, and you could do this. That's cute. Alright, then now you... Whoa! That was quick. And surprises? Alright, I'll open this first. Oh, it smells like pumpkin spice. I love pumpkin spice. Actually, did they make that as a coffee flavor? Alright, so my dad helped me. Let's open it. Wait, I think I saw that in the package here. You don't need to see it. Oh, it smells like. I don't know what this smells like. Cheesecake. It smells like strawberry cheesecake. Alright, so my dad opened this and we'll see what's inside. Oh, there's like this cute stuffed animal one. It looks like, what is that? A donut, horse, popsicle. There's like a popsicle stick. Oh, that's cute. Alright, so I finally found ours. This cute kitty thing, this cute unicorn thing, she is, wait, is that her? Yeah, that's her. Hers is Job. Yeah. Her name's Job. What does that say? What is that? Job? Dad, did this spell job? J-U-B?
Jub.
Jub? I could tell that.
Jub the kitten.
We're gonna be best pals. Alright, let's open up the next one. That's nothing important. Let's try. Ah! Alright, here we go. Oh, stickers. There's a bee. This. And this is not Jub. But it's still cute. Alright, and we got some stars and a Pikmi Pop sticker. And let's open this. No, I already opened that. Let's open this next. It's exactly the same thing that I'm opening. Alright. Let's see. It feels like there's another donut. Ah! Is this like the cutest thing ever? This is a Pikmi Pop eraser. Oh, look. It's actually a Pikmi Pop puzzle. Cool. That's cool. Alright. So, I think you just pop it off and put it back on. That's cool. It's like a cute puppy. Alright, one left. 0 to go. Alright. That one was already open, but I didn't take the surprise out. Look, I got a bracelet and I think this is, there's cards. There's cards from both of them. Be my BFF from the B. And this says, and from this cutie patootie, it says, you're the kindest of my world. Aw. You're the kindest of my. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Guess before we go, click that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and get notified. And if you got those Pikmi Pops, click the comments down below if you tell me what kind of Pikmi Pop you got. Thanks for watching. Bye.